Hey guys, so today we are riding beautiful Camp Fortune in Gatineau, Quebec. Today we're gonna be hitting some cross-country trails. They did open their lifts today, but we couldn't make it out in time because I had work. So I'm gonna start off with my favorite warm-up trail. It's a bit of a climb to get to it, but it's called Social Decline, and it's a good mix of flow and tech, and it's my go-to to start off my ride here. So yeah, let's get her going. It's gonna be a bitch pedaling up in this, but it's always hiking a bike, right? Yeah, I'll try to ride this as much as possible here. Totally forgot all my water and stuff at home, but should be able to tough it out here. I'm gonna start hiking now. See you guys up at the top. Hey guys, so as you can see, we're pretty much at the end of our climb here. Man, if you don't use the lifts here, it really is a matter of earning your turns. All right, Social Decline, here we go. Whew. Oh, I lied, it was a blue. It rides like a black. Oh yeah, it just rained, so it's super loamy right now. Just gonna do a quick camera check. It. Phew. Oh yeah, these Maguras are modulating really well. Oh yeah. Woo. Not the best line choice, but oh, woo. Whew. That was really loose. Wow. Oh yeah. Wow, okay, so I did just crash. It's cooking it a little far, but my fork's kind of diving on me. But you know what? I'm a trooper. Let's fucking keep setting. This bike seems to be okay. Just a matter of just keeping it loose, keeping balance. Oh, it's so wet. Wow. Oh, it's crazy how wet it is. All right, here we go. Oh. Oh yeah, that's the stuff. Keep going. It does get a little hairy here and there. Goggles are not helping. You know, sometimes it's good when it's dry, but when it's all humid and hot like it is today, it's really hard to keep it steady here. Whew. Yeah, that's a nice jump. Oh, whew. Man, if I didn't have these Magura MT5s, I'd be dead. Super wet. Whew. Yeah. That's it. That is it. Yeah. That was short and sweet. Oh man.
Sorry about that. I think my car baby. You know, one ride in.
Yeah, I'm not riding the best today. Save my guap for the next ride tomorrow. It was fun though. But I need the lift. There's no way I'm climbing again. It's unreal. Yeah. Let's get back here to our car and hopefully, you know, be able to ride tomorrow, but my hand's kind of fucked up right now, so it's gonna be kind of hard. Yeah. All right, see you tomorrow.